Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another weather forecast here by Agent Weather Forecast. This is actually going to be a very exciting video, but for some of you guys, this is not going to be exciting whatsoever. We're actually seeing May snow, and you're probably thinking, why is it rare? We have snowed every May in the Rockies. Well, this is not the Rockies. We're talking about the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic. Those places that barely saw snow this winter are seeing an extreme winter storm later this weekend. This is absolutely crazy. We're going to be seeing a ton of snowfall. 6+ inches are expected. We're going to be possibly seeing very, very strong winds as well. So that's also minimize visibility. And it's actually very, very likely to stick as we have that huge cold front. So it's going to be feel like winter. This is actually going to be like January, not May. So this is absolutely crazy. And this is very, very rare to see this May snow in the Ohio Valley. The areas that aren't even in the mountains are seeing snow. We're going to be seeing a ton of snowfall, and it's definitely going to be like a winter wonderland when it's supposed to be somewhat summer. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So here we are now looking at tropical tidbits here. This is by May 8th or Friday. So as you can tell, we're in May. We're gonna be seeing a decent amount of snowfall with this. This is actually something you see in January, maybe even December. So here we have the snow now developing here into areas like Columbus, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, getting into the areas near not far from Pittsburgh. So as you can tell, we're seeing areas that aren't just in the mountains. We're also seeing Columbus. You guys are seeing this May snow. I don't remember the last time they've seen May snow. As we get later on, look at this. This is not just a little snowstorm flurry little snow bands. This is actually extremely heavy snow. Look at this, Cincinnati. You guys barely got even 5 inches of snow this year. And now you're going to possibly double that in May with one snowstorm. That is absolutely crazy. You're going to be seeing that snow into much of northwestern West Virginia, parts of western Maryland. Going to be seeing extremely heavy snowfall for Cincinnati, Boston, Ohio, areas into Dayton, Ohio. You guys are going to get absolutely extremely heavy snow, and this is going to continue to move eastward. And look at this snow does not get any better. We're going to possibly see blizzard conditions out here into Charleston, areas into southeastern Kentucky, and far western Virginia. I'm not just saying that because of the dark blue. I'm saying that because we're going to be seeing very, very strong winds. We already have wind advisories in these areas, and now we're going to be seeing this extremely heavy snow on Saturday, May 9th. This could possibly bring in blizzard conditions. It will not feel like May. We'll possibly see snow out there into northern Virginia, maybe some snow flurries and snow flurries for Baltimore, Charleston. You guys are gonna get really hard. It looks like West Virginia, you guys, the whole state will get snow. And then by later into Saturday, we're gonna see the snow continuing on and off. Baltimore, you guys can get some snow. Roanoke, you guys are gonna get some snow. Even all the way to North Carolina, guys. North Carolina and Tennessee are gonna be seeing snow in May. They usually stop seeing snow in early April. And look at this now. Charleston's still seeing that snow. Areas near Roanoke, you guys are going to still get some snow. And as we now move later into Saturday, the snow would disappear. It would now go up into the northeast, but we could possibly still see some snow out here to the northeast. So the northeast, you guys are going to be seeing some scattered snow flurries. That's going to be throughout the New England areas as well. The Adirondacks, areas near Burlington, Mount Washington areas as well, into other areas out there into Massachusetts, but that would be the worst of it's actually going to be for the Ohio Valley, which is why it's so rare. But now we're going to go ahead and look at the European model. So the European model is showing it a bit different. It's actually showing the New Englander and Northeast to get hit, not necessarily the Ohio Valley area. So here we already have a ton of lake effect snow out here to near areas out there, northern Michigan, out there to near Traverse City. You can see that snow out there too. Other areas in Canada, but here we have a little bit of snow out there into Pennsylvania and New York. That's going to be by Friday, May 8th. As you get now later into Saturday, look at this thing. It's absolutely crazy. So as you can tell, location is not exactly precise, but it's the same somewhat, at least the same somewhat region, getting close. But definitely we definitely need the European to start agreeing. I actually agree with the GFS, but I really think they should agree and choose where it's going to be, because these areas could possibly see 5 inches of snowfall. And that's, for some of these areas, are more than what they saw all winter. So this is absolutely crazy. Very heavy snow all the way from West Virginia to areas into western Massachusetts could be seeing some snow for Scranton, Utica. Going to see some snow for areas into State College. You guys can get some snow flurries. Going to see that snow, of course, hanging out there into the West Virginia mountains of Virginia. They're going to be seeing some really heavy snowfall. So for much of eastern and West Virginia, and as you can tell, we're definitely going to be seeing a huge snowstorm. Out there, that's going to bring some snow out there into the Albany areas, into Boston, all of the New England area. Really, you're going to be seeing that snow for, of course, areas into Scranton, even New Jersey. You guys can be seeing that snow. It looks like New York, you guys won't. You guys might see snow flurries in New York, but no snow accumulation, and that's going to be hanging out there into Maine and the New England area. And we can see a lot more lake effect snow on Sunday. So we're going to be adding snowfall totals here. We're going to be seeing a ton of lake effect snow throughout the New England areas. Could be seeing lighter snowfall. And then all the way by Sunday, we're still going to be seeing some scattered snow showers in the New England area. Now I think the pivotal weather model showing the most impressive amount of snowfall here. So look at this. Here we have the snow developing out here into the Ohio Valley. And it's going to be developing, it's actually going to be extremely heavy snow near Dayton, Ohio. Columbus is going to be seeing some lighter snow showers as well for parts of western Maryland and Pennsylvania. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. This is not something you see in May in the eastern coast or the eastern United States. Not at all. It's actually a very large snowstorm for May. Going to be seeing that snow all the way from southern Indiana to Pennsylvania. Absolutely crazy. Charleston, you guys are going to see some rain, really heavy rain later on Friday, but by Saturday you guys get heavy snow. So this is now going to move into the eastward, areas into the southeast. So we're going to be seeing extremely heavy snow for Cincinnati, areas into the Ohio Valley, Pittsburgh. You guys are going to get some snow, areas into far northern Kentucky. It looks like even areas near Louisville. But it looks like it might just kind of avoid Lexington. Looks like it might bring us a couple snow showers by Lexington, but by Saturday morning, then you see that snow for Charleston, see that snow out there to northern Virginia, maybe see that snow for Baltimore, and of course, still going to see that snow for for North Carolina, Kentucky, West Virginia. And it does go away a lot faster in the pivotal weather. But of course, we have that snow and lake effect snow out there into the New England states. Let's go ahead and check out the snowfall totals now. So let's go ahead and check out the snowfall totals. So as you can see, we're going to be seeing a decent amount of snowfall in these areas. As you can tell, we're going to be seeing a lot of accumulation. Looks like areas into Cincinnati, maybe less than 1 inch. Areas into near Dayton, for far southern Ohio, maybe 2 to 3 inches. Maybe it looks like Lexington might get 1 to 2 inches of snow in May, which is absolutely record breaking or rare. Up to maybe 2 to 4 inches for much of western Virginia, and then we have possibly a 4 to 7.5 inch range. Look, guys, for the northern Virginia, West Virginia area, we can possibly see 7+ inches in May, which is, I know they see a lot of snow because West Virginia, those higher elevations, but they don't really see that in May whatsoever. Now as we look into the European, as you can tell, European showing completely different locations. This is actually the location for all the models yesterday, but now most models show it now to the Ohio Valley areas, as you see. But looks like we'll still be seeing a decent amount of snowfall all the way from Virginia to the Maine area. Could be seeing really a most amount of snowfall actually in Pennsylvania. Could possibly seeing possibly 6 to 9 inches of snowfall, which is absolutely record breaking for May. Going to be seeing up to 3 to 5 inches for much of eastern West Virginia, and they'll be in the New England area. We'll be seeing scattered areas with 1 to 4 inches. Looks like areas into northwestern Connecticut and western Massachusetts might get hit the hardest, and then also seeing a ton of snowfall now into Canada with up to a foot, and that's still a decent amount of snowfall for May for areas into eastern Canada. Now look at the pivotal weather snowfall. This is absolutely crazy. And this is just absolutely crazy. You know why? Look at this. Cincinnati could see up to 4 inches of snowfall. 4 to 5 inches of snowfall in May. I don't exactly know how much snow they got this whole winter. I know that they for sure got less than, I know for sure Cincinnati got less than, I think, 6 inches. Maybe even way less than that. But they're going to be seeing a ton of snowfall with this. Not like compared to like the city itself, but like for May, we're going to possibly see up to just around Cincinnati, up to possibly 2 to 5 inches of snowfall. We're going to be seeing up to 3 inches out there into southern Indiana. Look at this though. up to 7 inches, not just for the northwestern or northeastern West Virginia, but for areas near Charleston. We're going to be seeing up to 8 inches of snowfall. We're going to be seeing around a huge area of 6 to 8 inches. Look at this, south or southeastern Kentucky. They are going to get up to 7 to 8 inches of snowfall in May. That's more than what they saw the whole season of winter. That's absolutely crazy here. So definitely this is going to be our area of a ton of snowfall for West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky. Let's say Lexington, you guys get maybe 3 to 4 inches of snowfall, which is absolutely crazy. Maybe even up to 2 inches out there into eastern Virginia. Going to possibly see up to 3 to 5 inches for western Virginia, areas into Maryland, the tip of there is 7 inches, and possibly 5 to 8 inches for Pennsylvania. But this is absolutely crazy. We're seeing a ton of snowfall. This is going to be more snowfall than some of these areas got the whole season of winter, which is 4 months. And now in one storm in May, which is literally almost in summer, we're seeing more snow than what they got the whole season of winter. I don't know if you guys think about that, but that's absolutely crazy to see that. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this happen. I've seen snowstorms in May like this, but I have not seen snowstorms like this in May where it's more this way, that one snowstorm in May was more than their winter snowfall. And as you can tell, we'll be seeing up scattered 2 to 5 inches out here into areas near western New York, and then scattered areas 1 to 3 inches for the New England area. But as you can tell, looks like Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, you guys are going to get hit absolutely, extremely hard with this. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So here's the total accumulated snowfall here at this point. As you can tell, still similar, up to 5 inches for Kentucky and up to half a foot or more for West Virginia. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and bye guys.